to our live demonstration and our live virtual trade show. I'm Ben Flameltz, the product manager for Sunrise Ironworkers and Horizontal Benders. This has been an extremely popular machine for many years now, is our Horizontal Bender series or horizontal press brake. And we're able to showcase two different models today and talk about the 45-ton as well as the 82-ton. As I mentioned before in previous videos, and as we've all mentioned, the trilogy difference. And this is really why you are buying into from Trilogy, because of our factory trained sales and support staff. You're buying because of a huge selection of spare parts that we have here in Maryland. More than 60 machines, always in stock, always continually moving that inventory, available for immediate delivery, as well as that parts and labor warranty that we take on here. For the Sunrise brand, it's 2 years on parts and 1 year on labor, and then that free lifetime technical support. You get this standard with all the machines from Trilogy Machinery, and really one of the reasons why people trust us for these machines. So today we're going to go over the horizontal benders. What is a horizontal bender? A horizontal bender is a machine that has all of the tonnage in a very small different area. So much like a standard and conventional press brake would have spread over 8 or 10 feet, the horizontal benders have tonnage spread over a much shorter distance. That means that you're getting a lot of tonnage just within a small area. So any custom tooling, any different options that you want can fit in a small footprint, as well as just a really robust machine. So we talk about the machine here and this Sunrise 82, and one of the main features is really the build of this machine. The build of the Sunrise machines is a machined top plate here that is cut from one solid piece of metal and that is machined down. So we have some shots of the interior of the build of the machine that we'll show you. This is the top here flipped over, so you can really see the underside, just the internal strength and integrity of the machine. Just how the footprint made of structural steel channel, and on this model is 82 tons of bending force that's available to you. That means that we have 82 tons to do a wide variety of different parts. Custom parts, clips, brackets, hangers, you name it, we can really do a wide variety of different options on this machine. As I mentioned, on this machine, we have 12-inch tall tooling. That will allow you to do 12 by ½ flat bar material. We also have different accessories that will allow you to do multi-V bending, will allow you to do gauge material, really up to that 12 by ½ or 8 by ¾ material on this machine. Integrated storage shelves, adjustable pressure, and then your stroke is this integrated cylinder here that allows you to have a 15-inch stroke that is CNC controlled on both of our 82 and our 45-ton models. We also have an optional item that is a CNC controlled back gauge. The CNC controlled back gauge is available in 1 or 2 meter sections, and that CNC back gauge can be tied into our 45 or our 82-ton machine and integrate into the controller. And we have a video of that CNC back gauge as well. So this has up to a 480 inch per minute movement and travel speed, 0.004 of an inch accuracy, and we can program that and integrate that into the controller as an additional step. So you have that gauge setting that you can adjust the location of the gauge, and that's of the back gauge. So if you have a part with multiple bends, that back gauge can line up to any position that you want. Auto retraction is built in, and then as your bend is completed, the back gauge will move in and advance to the next position for you. Line up your material against the back gauge, and then you're ready for constant production with this machine as well. And that is available in 1 or 2 meter lengths, and we can add that either on the 45 or the 82-ton version. So now we want to talk about the programming of this specific model and really just how beefy and massive the machine is. there are not a lot of manufacturers that make 82 tons. So we'll zoom in here on the controller screen. And the main feature of this is a 5-inch touchscreen by Omron. It features a 50 program memory that we can go up to 200 programs. Each program can have up to 10 different steps or 10 different bends. And those are all adjustable, and they're all controlled with a digital linear transducer that is linked into the cylinder. So we're going to try to go in as tight as we can here and show you some of the programming of this. So this is a touchscreen controller, and if we just tap on it, the screen, we can have the ability to recall all the different programs. The current position of the RAM, as I said, we have a 15-inch adjustable stroke. The program and the steps 1 through 10. The position of the RAM in the retraction, which is our back position, and our forward position, which is the RAM as it moves forward. And you'll see we're at 3 decimals for your accuracy. The CP button allows you to record the current position that the controller or that the RAM is in. And then, of course, we have a piece counter, and then the program will continuously loop. So if you're doing a repeat of each program, you can loop that through. We do feature a hand control, which is a 2-finger control, or a keyed switch for the foot pedal. So if we remove the key, that will prevent your operator from using the foot pedal. But because of the slow speed of this machine, we are able to use the foot pedal because the machine is quite slow, and it does retract when you remove your foot from the pedal. So I have some material that we'll load in here. If you want to come around here and get a shot a little closer up. Yep, right there. Can you get high up? So you'll see that we have a single V die in here right now. This is a 3-inch opening single V die. We have a wide variety of single V dies that are available. This is 3 inches, but we do go out to 6-inch single V. This is all quick change tooling. The die slides out, and then our punch here is reversible. If you spin it 180 degrees, you go from this 3/8-inch bending tip here. The back side would allow us to put in tooling for thinner gauge material with our multi-V design. Of course, we have all of these preset positions for optional tooling, and we can remove all of these and slide them out onto our nice machined bed here as well. So we're in program mode. We're going to step on the foot pedal and we'll bend it around. And so if you were making a box or a frame or clips or brackets or whatever it might be, you could really utilize this machine to have a wide variety of different optional tools and attachments. We've done armored plate in here. We've done tube bending and different items like that. So we're going to roll the optional accessories videos and talk about some of the optional equipment that is available on the Sunrise Horizontal Bender series. This is our tube bending device. The tube bending device is great for Schedule 40 pipe or for tube. You can set your internal diameter, your internal radius there based on the OD of the material. Great for handrails. Great for different structures where you want to bend to a 90 degree. We also offer some optional tooling for bending flat bar hangers, pipe clips, pipe clamps. Those are all options as well. But as you can tell, a lot of universal designs here, a lot of universal tooling and features that you can put on this machine because of just the size and the capacity of it. Beam straightening, we can straighten tubes, we can straighten H-beam, I-beam, channel. That's another varied attachment that you can add to this machine. And then there are some other features such as punching, shearing. Those devices are all available to you. So really for this one design, this one machine, you can really have a wide variety of custom tooling and go from shearing the material that you might be bending to actually bending it as well. So this is the Sunrise 82-ton horizontal bender. We have multiple machines coming in stock. A lot of tooling, spare parts is also here in stock. This machine also has a 45-ton version of it, a little smaller, 8 by ½ inch capacity. This is that 12 by ½ inch capacity. They all come with the touchscreen controller with a CNC controlled RAM, and they all have the option of adding that CNC back gauge as well to it. Any questions, please let us know. Please jump on our website. Please shoot us an email. We'll be back tomorrow morning with videos again, live videos again of the entire product range that we offer. But please reach out as we can earn your business and let us answer any questions you may have.